From smart cities to smart buildings and even smart homes, inanimate objects, once a part of our everyday lives, can now communicate and share data with us wherever we are. This is due to the connected world becoming a reality thanks to the Internet of Things, better known as IoT. In the age of IoT, digital connectivity is driving change and innovation. The push towards smarter, highly efficient, more secure buildings is opening the door to endless possibilities. From property safety and energy management to automation and design, ABB is working to create smarter building solutions available right at your fingertips. Through intelligent emergency lighting, ABB makes building safety more accessible than ever. With action needing to be taken in a moment's notice during an emergency, functional emergency lighting can mean the difference between getting out of a building safely or struggling to find the closest exit. To assure the safety of public facilities, code and regulation compliance ensures the functionality of emergency lighting, so devices automatically switch on during a power failure. This is implemented by international and North American organizations like the National Fire Protection Association and International Code Council, which release editions of their code that govern public health and safety. These organizations establish mandates in which fixtures should be manually tested every month and year. Each fixture is maintained, defective components are replaced, and devices are code compliant. But what if there was something that could simplify these tasks and make buildings safer than ever? ABB is the world-leading provider of smart home, smart building, and intelligent community solutions with a drive for innovation as well as a total contribution to social and environmental responsibility and sustainability. Our solutions bring the future to you today. Nexus Pro is designed to enable building owners and managers to easily maintain and test emergency lighting without the need to visually verify performance or disrupt the power supply. With digital solutions, building owners now can have peace of mind knowing their buildings are safer than ever. All operations can be managed remotely, giving building owners and managers complete control wherever they are, whenever they need it most, while preventing any human error in the process. In this video, you'll be a step ahead of safety. We'll give you an overview of the Nexus Pro system, from the different software and platforms to the tools and all other facets that make up the system. The hardware and software components that make up the Nexus Pro system consist of gateway, app and web interface, Bluetooth mesh communication, radio frequency, cloud server, cybersecurity protocols, building layouts, emergency lighting devices and applications. Starting with the gateway. The Nexus Pro gateway connects the emergency lighting through the Bluetooth mesh network, ensuring messages are communicated through the cloud to the app. The Nexus Pro system is accessible for the user through an iOS application installed on a smart device, for example, a smartphone or tablet. This app is used for commissioning, monitoring, testing, and management. The platform is also available on a web interface. For over a decade now, IoT has been the main topic explored in academia and industry. As a result, IoT devices and applications have both increased and diversified exponentially. Released in July 2017, Bluetooth Mesh is the latest technology developed by Bluetooth SIG. Bluetooth Mesh is a wireless technology standard used for exchanging data between devices over short distances. As a wireless technology standard, Bluetooth transmits data via low-power radio waves. It communicates on a frequency of 2.45 GHz, actually between 2.400 GHz and 2.483.5 GHz to be exact. This frequency band is one of the frequencies that have been set aside by international agreement for for the use of industrial, scientific, and medical devices. Bluetooth mesh uses a technique called spread spectrum frequency hopping that makes it rare for more than one device to be transmitting on the same frequency at the same time. In this technique, a device will hop between 40 randomly chosen channels, constantly optimizing and changing. Each mesh packet, piece of data, includes a small identifier that determines which network the mesh packet belongs to. A device in one mesh network cannot decrypt or authenticate packets from another mesh network, and it will never relay those messages, making each mesh network completely isolated. With information being transmitted constantly, it must be stored somewhere. You may have heard people using the term the cloud. When something is in the cloud, it means data is stored on external servers instead of local servers and is accessed using the internet. This allows for a reduction in maintenance operations and an increase in computing power. In fact, cloud adoption increases every year, since companies realize that it offers them access to world-class enterprise technology. The cloud is where information about Nexus Pro emergency lighting fixtures is stored, from testing schedules to component malfunctions and more. One of the major concerns of every business, regardless of size and industry, is the security of its data. Data breaches and other cybercrimes can devastate a company's revenue, customer loyalty, and brand positioning. Cloud server environments follow strict standards, rules, and policies made to protect data and cloud system applications. It goes through a wide range of security solution tests to ensure that a customer's data is safe. Cloud offers many advanced security features that guarantee data is securely stored and handled. Cloud storage providers implement baseline protections for their platforms and the data they process, such as authentication, access control, and encryption. From there, most enterprises supplement these protections with added security measures of their own to bolster cloud data protection and tighten access to information in the cloud. Cloud computing offers your business many benefits. It gives you stability and security because any software issues are isolated from your environment. Cloud servers are stable, fast, and secure, and they avoid the hardware issues seen with on-site servers. Your business can scale up or scale down your operation and storage quickly, as the cloud will adapt to your business needs. There are 3 types of cloud: public, private, and hybrid. A public cloud is where the provider supplies you with access to their data center infrastructure. They are responsible for all management, maintenance, security, and upgrades. A private cloud is where you host on your own data center or intranet. You own, manage, update, and upgrade your own cloud ecosystem of server, networking, software, or platform resources, protecting it all with your own firewall and security solutions. A hybrid cloud is where you opt to use a mix of both public and private cloud solutions. You are responsible for managing how the two services interact, especially the security of data passing between both public and private cloud setups. There are various cloud providers such as Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and others. Nexus Pro database is stored in the Google public cloud. Cybersecurity can be a big concern in the world of IoT. However, Bluetooth mesh networking is a true industrial-grade solution in its approach to security. All our communication is required to be secure, so messages are encrypted and authenticated before the message is sent. In emergency lighting, the path of egress plays a crucial role in getting all the occupants out of a building safely, quickly, and efficiently during an emergency. Your building layout will determine where your emergency lighting devices will go. For a successful Nexus Pro installation, you need to have a few resources at hand. Here's what you need. Site evaluation helps identify the communication distance between units. Product selection based on the application. Photometrics calculation. This includes the foot candle calculation, ceiling height, and mounting height for the emergency lighting fixtures. Gateway location should be as central as possible in a building. A 2D drawing should include a path of egress and dimensions. Nexus Pro is compatible with various emergency lighting devices. Based on the type of environment, you can select the right device for your application. Each device is equipped to act as a node in the Bluetooth mesh network. We have been able to enhance our work order process thanks to the change in our quality procedure from manual to automatic. This not only helps us increase efficiency, but also accelerates lead times. Nexus Pro is designed for most applications. Whether your business occupies an office building, an industrial space, high-security locations, architectural spaces, or multiple educational facilities, Nexus Pro brings the power of connected IoT emergency lighting to any environment. Whether you are planning, installing, managing, or renewing emergency lighting, our products, systems, and services always provide you with smart, highly user-friendly solutions. From office buildings, hotels, schools, hospitals, to stadiums, factories, and train stations, our emergency lighting system provides 24/7 protection to you, your visitors, and employees. At ABB, we use the latest technology and digitalization to make buildings smarter and safer for all. Through intelligent and automatic lighting, access control, video surveillance, and movement detection, ABB makes greater energy efficiency and increased security easier than ever. ABB Nexus Pro Emergency Lighting Management System.